Hi, Joe here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Ocoya's AI copywriter in version 3.0. So on the left-hand side, you're going to want to click on AI copywriter. And then the first thing you're going to do is click Pick Template. So you'll be presented with over 50 different options you can choose from. As you can see, real estate listings, pay and agitate solution, Google ads, Facebook ads. There's loads of things to decide from, all in different categories. But for now, let's just pick the first one, Google ads. And you'll be presented with a few options. So we're going to enter what our product is. Let's use Ocoya. And we need to describe this product in a few ways. So Ocoya is an all-in-one marketing tool. And then we're going to simply hit generate. Great, and there you go. As you can see, it's in the format of Google Ads with headlines and descriptions. And if we just look over them, there's some pretty cool sentences to describe Ocoya in a marketing format. You can see the ratings that we depict for each one. So we'd recommend using the highest rating, but obviously that's at your discretion. You can copy directly using this button. You can also save to favorites. As you can see, we go here, that's save to favorites. We also have history. So all the copy that you've created will appear here. And finally, you can use this caption or text directly in a caption. As you can see here, it will jump straight to creating a post for you. Finally, the last thing that this platform offers is languages. So we have over 26 languages that you can choose from. As you can see here, the input and the output is English. But let's just change the output to Spanish, for example. Just show you all the different languages that we have here. And then if we go to new output so we can see it and hit generate, as you can see, here's the copy now generated in Spanish. The last thing I wanted to show you is if we just go to AI copywriter, is you can now segregate the copy generated into folders. So let's hit new folder and let's call this Google Ads, for example. Hit create. And just on this little icon here, we can move the Google Ads that we just created to the folder. And there you go, it's in that folder. So that was a quick tutorial of how to use Ocoya's latest AI copywriter on version 3.0. I hope you found it useful.